Want to know the best way on how to earn $100 per day online to your PayPal account? Hey, this is Michael from Viral Home Based Pursuits. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can realistically and legitimately earn $100 per day online that is going to go into your PayPal account. Okay. But before I get started, if this is the first time you're watching me, I do come out with videos like these, show you how to earn money, how to do passive income, how to do things through digital marketing, the internet world, specifically in affiliate marketing, which is my vehicle of choice. So don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future work. And you can also go and see what I have put out there already. Okay, so I'm not going to waste any more of your time. You might be thinking, well, I've tried, I've looked, and I keep seeing the same thing over and over. And what you're going to be seeing is people showing you how to go fill out a survey, how to go and go to this mobile app, go be a tester, go do all these little things, right? And on the back of their mind, they're thinking, okay, well, this doesn't work, or this is not even something I even do. So what am I going to do? I'm going to then turn them over to go buy a $7 product that then eventually sells them on a course for $2,500. And then now you're stuck with something in your hand you don't know what to do with. You don't even know how to market it. You don't even know how you're going to earn. You don't even have a list of people you can sell it to. You don't have no idea. You don't have the skill sets. So now you've just wasted a lot of time. You think it's a scam, and I understand why people go the opposite direction. So I don't want you to do that here today. I'm going to go ahead and show you right now into the share screen what you shouldn't be really spending your time on. These are surveys. I just want to show you that they're out there, just so you know that this is the kind of stuff you can earn money to your PayPal account, my points, blah, 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 right? Cash Karma, right? And it's going to take a long time. You're going to earn really, really just pennies. And I've been there before. I know the feeling. Even sometimes they deny you because somebody filled it up faster than you did, or just didn't qualify from it after filling out a couple questions. It's BS. And mobile app stuff like that, it takes you a while. You might not even get a test. You might not even get that. And work from home jobs, who just wants to continue doing that? You want something that's going to work for you with passive income. You just set it sometimes and you can forget it. You can go off in a week. Just imagine being able to have a system that's done for you. You put it together, it works. Now you can take a little bit of time off and you can start racking in that $100 per day, and even start moving up higher up in the ladder with that. So just kind of want to get away from this and show you my number one way, my favorite way of doing it, which is with wealthy affiliates. Okay, there's an earning report right there of one of them from July 31st of 2019, just one of many. And I can get these like at the first of every month, but this is what you can realistically expect through PayPal with something called wealthy affiliates. I'll leave a link down below, so make sure you check that out. It'll be like the best decision you've ever made. It'll show you legitimately how to make money online, how to build a legitimate actual business doing this the right way, so you're not getting out there being scammed and doing things you do not want to. Okay, so that's what I want you to know about that. If it can happen with me, it can happen to you. But I'll be there to guide you every single step of the way. So if you need help, I'm always in there communicating. I'm in other areas, email. Even here, you can even leave me a comment so you can know more about how to earn those $100 per day online. So what is it, right? Well, you're probably asking yourself, okay, you've shown me what that is, but can I see it? Okay, so this is it right here. So Wealthy Affiliate is a platform designed for all affiliate marketers of all levels. So what is an affiliate marketer, you're probably asking. Affiliate is basically you have people. In the middle, you have an offer, a product. And on the right side, you'll have a retailer, otherwise known as a merchant. So you're just getting people over to your offer. And when they click on what's called an affiliate link, they get taken over to that merchant. They make a purchase, you make the commission. And commission percentages depend on that merchant, depend on the products and services. So you can go up to as much as like even 100%, 50, 75, 25, lower. You can do things like this through Amazon and other places, but Wealthy Affiliate will show you how to do that so you can build a sustainable online income doing this for many, many years to come, right? It's just not fast money, right? Don't be looking all the time for fast money. It just isn't out there, right? Fast money, you're gonna have to go out and work for it. Right? But if you come into the online space, you take the time, put in, you can select, you have, like where I started, each and every single one of us has a superpower. And we started in a place where we're just fed up with it and or we just want to get to that freedom. And that's where I was. And I wanted to understand how to earn online. And, a friend of mine one day at one of my last jobs told me, hey, there's this thing called affiliate marketing where you can sell other people's products, right? Without having to own your own product. I was like, whoa, that's kind of, sounded kind of like a scam. So later that day, I walked into my home literally I had my backpack on me from work that I take with me. And then I went into my laptop, checked it out, did my research, and found out, through blogs and videos that this was something actually legitimate. And so what I did was I put up a site, and it didn't really earn me traffic, earn me the people that I wanted. I wasn't earning. At the back of my mind, I'm like, I'm finally gonna make money. I'm finally gonna get away from all of this and free up more of my time, do what I want to do with my family. And instead, with that site, it kind of flopped. So I had to learn an actual way of making it. So I did my research again the very next day, and what do you know? Here it was. And when I got into it, I never looked back again. Okay, so it'll show you the different things to do without going far in depth into this, like the back office. I have other videos on Wealthy Affiliate you can check out. I'll leave down below. But you can tap into a whole bunch of different products from Amazon, eBay, Etsy, WA, Shopify, YouTube stuff. Wealthy Affiliate powers affiliate marketers worldwide, 193 countries, members, you name it, it's all there. It's an all-in-one system. So, which means you'll be able to have everything in one place and not have to go buy tools and go do all these other things, which will cost you more money, more headaches, right? It'll save you the time, put more money in your pocket, make you more money doing it. So the features you need to succeed, here they are. Kind of comes with all this. I'll show you step-by-step training on it, and you'll get a lot more from me. I offer you a whole bunch of bonuses if you decide, even if you get in here for free, which you don't need a credit card to sign up with, just an email right there. And that's it. And then you get a whole bunch of bonuses from me. You'll be able to see me on the other end. I'll show you everything as an expert in not only affiliate marketing, but digital marketing. Okay, so you're gonna get a lot of goodies from me. So I'll leave a link down below too, where you can access those, see those bonuses if you would like to. But Wealthy Affiliate, that's how you can do this. They pay out in PayPal, like I said, most of the time at the beginning of every single month. And you can realistically earn those $100 per day online if you put in the time to do this. Okay, now that's just part of it, right? There are going to be other platforms out there, but this is a great place to begin. This is where I began with everything. And I believe it really can help you succeed in earning those $100 per day online. And then I can help you out with other methods out there, how you can earn from other platforms. But this is the logistics of it with affiliate marketing. And if you so happen to want to see other alternatives, I may leave the link down below for other ones, but this is the one. You won't regret it getting in here. But also, before I end this video, I do want to show you other ways besides, when people put up a website or a blog like I have, you can earn through that. But you can also put up a YouTube channel, right? You can put up a YouTube channel kind of like you're watching mine. Right, my YouTube channel. And what people are doing is, I'll give you an example here. So people are searching for products, right? We'll do the Lepid Talks, nutrition reviews. So you can go out there and put reviews around particular products and put them on YouTube, right? Know what people are typing in and then make a YouTube video around that. You can put your face on there. You can do it on screen. right? If you don't feel comfortable getting on camera, even nowadays, I still feel that way as an introvert, but that's what you can do. And then people will find these. And then what happens is you can put the link that you're given by these merchants down below. Like here, click here, they can take them to the offer, right? And they can go make that purchase and you make the commission from it. So that's one way with YouTube. You can do it with a blog, like I showed you with Wealthy Affiliates, but those are the legitimate long-term ways of doing it. So I'll leave all that information for you down below in the description. Check out Wealthy Affiliates. It'll be the best decision you've ever made. It was my best decision I made. And for more questions, comments, or concerns, do let me know. If you want to know alternatives, I have a whole bunch of them, but Wealthy Affiliate is a good place to begin earning money, $100 a day once you get building. You can even promote the platform as well. They give you, I think it's like 40+% in commissions for getting people to sign up. So just imagine getting those commissions that are rolling in, $22 per month or so, and then you just get a couple people. Now you're getting $100 per month rolling in, and I'll show you how to do those things as well. But more of an in-depth, if you want to see more about that, I'll leave links down below. That's it from me. Like I said, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to leave me a message down below. I want to hear from you, okay?